If you've looked at your water bill and wondered, what am I paying for? It's a fair question. Bills have increased and we know we need to do better. That's why we're already working on the biggest investment in Yorkshire Water's history. Between 2025 and 2030, we're investing £8.3 billion to deliver more reliable drinking water and wastewater services for our customers, improve water quality in Yorkshire's rivers and coastline, and strengthen our infrastructure for the future. That's around £4 million every single day over 5 years. Customer bills are helping fund this investment, which includes replacing over 1,000 kilometres of ageing water pipes, which is roughly the distance from John O'Groats to Land's End, so you'll experience less bursts, less leaks, and you'll have better water quality and better service from us. We've already replaced 175 kilometres in our first year, and we're already starting to see some improvements with the work we've done already. We're also upgrading our sewer network to reduce the need for storm overflows and help improve Yorkshire's rivers and coastline that so many of us enjoy. We're upgrading 1.4 million metres to make them smart so we can spot leaks sooner and give you more accurate bills and more insight into how much water you're using. We're future-proofing our clean water network with new surface reservoirs and boreholes so that everyone can continue to enjoy high-quality drinking water for years to come, and it'll make our network more resilient to droughts. We're upgrading our wastewater treatment works and pumping stations to reduce pollution incidents and improve the quality of treated wastewater that we return to the environment. And we're creating more nature-based solutions, including new wetlands that will help clean water naturally before it's returned to the environment. You'll see some improvements sooner than others. Some of the biggest changes take time because they involve upgrading infrastructure beneath our feet and across thousands of miles of network. But the work is already happening, and we'll continue to show you the progress we're making across Yorkshire so that you can see where your money is being invested and the difference that it's making. There's still more to do, and we're committed to delivering lasting improvements for customers, communities, and the environment. Thanks for watching.